I have a question, as always. So, Sawiti say rich niggas, 8 figures. That's my type. Alright. So that means, if you get to a particular woman in the 21st century, my G, you have to have a particular net worth. So, I have a question to the man them. What is your net worth? Yeah. Weird ass question, nobody never asked you this before, but I want to think about whatever you put on your nut, my G. Is it that anybody can get it? Fire for that. Is it that any woman can get it? Or is it that them females have to work to get to you too? Something to think about.